Hi, I'm Nikita. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to make this very cute strawberry using gouache. The first step is going to be to draw out your strawberry, which is like a curved triangle, and that's the first thing that we're going to be doing, and then we will add in our colors. So some very funny things happened while shooting this video. Everything has come in slow motion, which is very weird, and I have tried to speed it up as much as I can, and unfortunately it is still really slow. So you may be hearing me talking quite a bit. You could always speed up the video for this particular one and watch it. That will help you to give interesting insight. And do let me know what you think about this video. And I really didn't want to discard it because I thought that the strawberry has come out quite nice, so I really would like you guys to try it out. So this is a ready strawberry. Now it looks perfect, and we're going to go ahead and then start painting it. So even here my video has become like super slow. It's in slow motion, and I think it looks very interesting because it helps you to also understand the process in like really small steps. So I've still speeded up my video, but it may still not be fast enough. So this is the background that I'm creating right now, which is like a nice yellow, and that's going to be all around the strawberry. Background is ready, and my video speed is also back to normal. So we are now going to create the color inside the strawberry. So I'm using red over here, and I'm going to use the red pretty stark and dark. Okay, so it's not a completely creamy consistency. It is still a little watery consistency, but not as watery as the background. So let's go ahead and fill in our strawberry, and then we will add in details for the tiny leaves at the top, and then we will add in details inside the strawberry. When you have curved-ended objects, then it's really a good idea to use round brushes as compared to flat brushes. So you will notice that I use a lot of round brushes in all of my video content that you have seen. That's also because I use a lot of flat brushes when I'm doing acrylic paintings. I think they work really well for that. And for most of the watercolor and gouache paintings, I end up using some round brushes. For the leaves on top, I'm now going with a medium consistency, not very thin, but at the same time not very creamy. But I think it may require a second layer, because you can see when it comes on top of the red, it's creating a slightly darker color because it's reacting with the base, and the base is still thicker than the top layer that I've done. So normally when you're doing a layering on top of another color on gouache, it's better to have a thicker consistency. So we'll probably add a couple of layers of the green, and then we'll see how it goes. So if you're watching this video and you have a different kind of material as compared to me, which in this case is Winsor and Newton professional gouache, and I'm using 300 GSM paper. So if you're seeing very different results, it could be because of different brand of colors, your different paper, your brushes, the amount of water that you're adding. So a lot of factors do come in. So don't beat yourself down if the result is completely different. There's no right or wrong. So every art is amazing and very beautiful, and so kudos to that. Don't feel let down. So now I'm doing some detailing onto my strawberry. I'm just using some yellow and adding some dots on top of it. Adding these tiny details is very therapeutic. It's a lot of fun, and it makes me very happy. So here is the finished strawberry. I hope you enjoyed creating this, and do tag me on Instagram if you're going to be recreating this, which I would highly recommend. Enjoy your process in gouache, and don't be intimidated by the medium. Don't be intimidated of how it looks, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye bye.